Most people think you need a big city, crazy nightlife, or tons of existing friends to build an elite social circle, but that's 100% false. I'm Julian, founder of onesociallife. I help high-performing men to build elite social circles in less than 1 month and attract high-quality women by using the onesociallife system no matter where they live. If you want my full step-by-step plan on how to build your elite social circle, even in a small city, you can get my free guide in the link below. But here's the problem. In small cities, most men either settle for whoever's around or give up entirely. They tell themselves there just aren't enough high-quality people here. I don't know anyone. It's impossible unless I move. But that's not true. In this video, I will break down exactly how I've built elite social circles in smaller markets and how you can too by following 4 simple phases. And stick with me until the end because I will share a powerful mistake 99% of men make that silently sabotages their social life in small cities. So, Phase 1. The visibility mindset shift. Most men completely misunderstand how small cities work. They think there aren't enough high-value people here. But what's really happening is this. The opportunity exists, you just don't see them yet. In small cities, people are hidden in routines, comfort zones, and tight social bubbles. Your job is not to search. Your job is to position yourself to be found. Pick your 2 to 3 anchor locations. The gym. Pick the most social gym in town. Not the cheapest one, but the one where entrepreneurs, trainers, and influencers train. Cafes or co-working spaces. Become a regular at 1 or 2 spots with steady traffic. Boutique studios, yoga, pilates, boxing. Places where fit social and high-quality people gather. My client Marcus moved to a mid-sized city in Arizona. We identified 1 upscale gym, 1 co-working space, and 1 wine bar. He started showing up to 3 to 5 times a week. Within 30 days, people started greeting him by name, inviting him to events, and introducing him to their friends. Consistent timing. Go at roughly the same time each day. People notice consistency. Familiarity triggers trust. You don't need to meet 50 new people every week. You need 20 people to see you 5 times. That's how you become visible in a small city. Phase number 2, the anchor strategy. So now that you are visible, the real leverage begins. Identify and connect with the social anchors. These are people who already have trust, credibility, and connections. Who are anchors? Personal trainers and coaches, gym owners or managers, real estate agent, can be event organizer, boutique business owners, photographers, or just content creators. So how do you connect them? Step 1 here is give before you take. Very important. Complement their business, share their posts, recommend people to them, offer collaborations, ask curious questions about how they build their network. Step 2. Position yourself as a peer. Dress well, carry yourself with calm confidence, avoid fan energy, become an equal. My client, David, for example, a software engineer in a city of 200,000 people, connected with a local photographer who worked with several models and business owner. By helping him build a simple website for free, David got access to an entirely new group of people within just 2 weeks. One right anchor can shortcut 6 months of cold networking. Think about that. Phase number 3, the micro event formula. That's how I call it. Here's where most men fail actually. They wait for invitations. Elite social circles are built, not received. The fastest way? Micro events. Small, high-quality gatherings where you control the energy and the guest list. Why micro events work? Intimacy. 3 to 8 people, easy to organize, low pressure. You can mix people from different areas of your life. Example you can use here: rooftop wine nights, hiking or fitness groups, private dinners where each guest brings 1 new person, skill sharing nights like photography, business, or language exchanges. Key tip: always be the inviter. One quick story about this. My client Louis built his entire lead circle in a town of 80,000 people only, using exactly this system. He hosted simply weekly brunches and game nights for 2 months. Within 90 days, he was connected to business owners, models, and influencers only in the small city, simply because he created consistent micro events. Phase number 4, the social media amplifier. Now, We pour gasoline on the fire, that's match. Use social media, specifically Instagram, to position yourself as the connector. Why Instagram? People are always watching. Small cities talk, you know it. You create perceived status very fast. What to post? Easy. Group pictures from your micro events. You can do behind the scenes stories while hosting high quality photos with your guests. And repost when others tag you, that's very important. Or also strategic use of location tags. Another story I can share here for a personal one. When I first moved to Medellin in Colombia, I didn't know many people. Instead of waiting for invites, I organized my own events, private yoga and wellness experience in luxury places like penthouses, villa. We combined yoga, breathwork, ice bath, coffee and networking. I personally curated a guest list, successful entrepreneurs, attractive women, coaches, travelers, content creators. Every event was private, invite only, with a premium vibe. You can see it on my Instagram, by the way. As people started tagging the events, sharing stories, my Instagram naturally positioned me as a connected person. New people reached out, asked how to attend, and that amplified my network 10 times faster than meeting people one by one. You don't need Medellin to do this. You can do the same thing in a small city using wine and cheese nights, hiking groups, private mastermind dinners, wellness weekends, networking brunches. Your events become your engine for both real-life connection and online perception. Here's the mistake that silently kills 99% of men. It's inconsistency. They start strong for 2 weeks. They approach a few people, a few girls, maybe host one dinner. Then life gets busy. They disappear. Small cities magnify this even more because everything compounds faster here. Inconsistent men stay invisible. Consistent men instead become the go-to guy in less than 90 days. So let's make it clear with an example. Imagine Tom, a 35-year-old consultant who moves to a town of 150,000 people. Week 1, he visits the best gym daily, goes to the same upscale cafe every morning, hosts his first dinner for 4 people. Week 2, people start greeting him. Week 3, the cafe owner introduces him to a local event organizer. Week 4, he attends a charity event via his new contacts. Week 5, he hosts another dinner, mixing guests from different areas. Week 6, local women start following him on Instagram after seeing him tagged at private events. So fast forward 3 months. Tom is now plugged into multiple circles, knows business owner, dates attractive women, and has a full calendar. In a city where most men said, there's nothing going on here. Consistency compounds. In small cities, you are not competing with a huge population. You are competing with people's laziness. If you want me to personally show you exactly how to apply this system and build your elite social circle no matter where you live, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Inside my program, I work with high-performing men who are serious about finally breaking out of isolation, building powerful social circles, dating high-quality women, and building real status without wasting years trying to figure it out alone. And listen, you don't need to be the loudest guy. You don't need to be naturally extroverted. You don't even need to know anyone right now. You just need to start. Because 90 days from now, your entire life can look completely different. Your network, your dating life, your opportunities. Most men stay stuck, waiting for the perfect time, and they stay waiting for years. The men who win, they take action. They stay consistent, and they let the system do the work. So wherever you are right now, this is your moment. The link is below if you are ready. And if you want to go even deeper, make sure to watch my other video where I break down exactly how to create a great social life as a high-performing man using 0 pickup lines or apps. So I'll see you there then. Peace.